Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Andreea. I'm a professional makeup artist based in Paris, and in today's video I'm going to talk about Advent calendars. I know it's already December, but I was waiting to gather all the Advent calendars. So I'm going to keep the tradition from last year and start with Dior. This is what their Advent calendar looks like, but let me open it and you'll be blown away. It just gets me in the Christmas mode. You guys, Christmas is so close. Again, this is the interpretation of their iconic Dior store. This is 340 pounds. Yeah, pricey. But we're talking about Dior right here. Let's take Dior 24, the one in the middle. Oh, that's so cute. I love these. I used to collect them until I broke 2 of them while moving in this new apartment, and then I throw all of them away. Number 14. Oh my god. A tiny little J'adore perfume. Feel a little bit like Charlize Theron pronouncing this. J'adore. I used to wear this perfume all the time. A long time ago. My mom still uses it. Door number 7. The lash primer means that there must be a mascara as well. On number 3 we have Capture Total. Never used skincare from Dior. I think just a serum long time ago. This is the sizing. We have 15 milliliters. Not bad. I can work with that. There's the mascara on door number 2. I really like their mascara. It's really good, but it's especially good if you use the primer. The little perfume right here. I love to discover this with you. Door number 23. Ooh, Dior Prestige. That's crazy expensive. Dior Prestige. La crème. Texture essentielle. This is very, very small. Probably what? 5 milliliters. And then we have Miss Dior Capture Total Super Potent Serum. We've got 10 milliliters of serum. These are great for when you travel, I think. Door number 12, we have the Dream Skin. A lot of skincare, I would say, compared with last year. Door number 16, we have another Dior Prestige. We have something for a man, you know, Dior Sauvage. Another mascara on door number 22. We've got 13. Oh, I'm so happy they put a nail polish. Let me put it on. Oh my god, look at this color. Can you get me closer? Love. So pretty, you guys, this color. I still have my normal nail polish on the other hand, but it's fine. I'm gonna wait this to try. Dior Addict Lip Maximizer. You guys, this is so cute. Look how small this is. Prestige Micro Advanced Serum. This is 10 milliliters. You guys, these are very charming. All of these mini products for me are very, very charming. I love Dior. For me, it's worth it because, you know, I love the brand, but there's not a lot of product. As you saw, the biggest product was like what, 15 milliliters. Obviously only people who love the brand so much would get this. We're gonna move on with Charlotte Tilbury. It's the first time I get their Advent calendar, so I'm so excited. Ooh, lovely. Let's start with the bottom. Oh, the setting mist. This is the setting mist. You guys have probably seen me using this. The Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. Party all night, stay all day. This is a really good setting spray. It does not just set your makeup in place, but also like if you have used a little bit too much powder, this is great because it sort of like makes everything blend together. Charlotte Tilbury's Magic Cream. 15 milliliters. A regular size Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lipstick. This is the Matte Revolution Supermodel Body. Visibly slimmer, shimmer, shape, hydrate, and glow. First of all, we didn't talk about the packaging. This could definitely be used as, I don't know, jewelry box. Really nice box that can be reused if you wanted to. The color chameleon copper lights, great product by the way. And I didn't tell you the price. This is 150 pounds, so that's what probably and it's out of stock already. Really? I am late to the game. Let's keep on opening stuff. I'm so impressed that there are full-size products. This is the Light Beauty Wand in Spotlight, my favorite. I talked about this. Amazing product. The store right here, we have the Goddess Skin Clay Mask. This is a 15 milliliters. The Magic Serum. Push Up Lashes Mascara. Wonder Glow. A mini size Rock and Coal Iconic Liquid Eye Pencil. This is in dark brown. Of course, we have the lip liner in Pillow Talk. And I think that's it. It's great value for the money. I'm more into makeup. When I think about Charlotte Tilbury, like the only iconic product in terms of skincare that comes in my mind is the Magic Cream. But then everything else, I wished it was makeup. Next is By Terry. By Terry Twinkle Glow Advent Calendar. Looks like this. Whenever I think about By Terry, I think about the most luxurious products and packaging especially. This is not as luxurious as everything else from her. It's just my opinion. Like when you first see the Advent Calendar. However, I'm sure that the products, they're going to compensate for the packaging. I don't know, I just would have loved a little bit more innovation for the packaging. Let's open the door number 23. This is the By Terry Baume de Rose Démaquillant. So it's a makeup remover. I've tried this a long time ago. It's really, really good for the eyes, especially if you have sensitive eyes. This is great. 30 milliliters, okay. Number 13, we have Baume de Rose. This is the face cream. The reason why I don't like this type of sample is because if you open it, at least with me, like when I open this, I have to use the whole thing at once. Else I'm gonna forget about it, it's gonna get dry, whatever. So maybe if it would have been a different packaging, I would have been happier. Number 20 is the Cc Serum. Fantastic product. If you guys have never tried their Cc Serums, they're amazing. Amazing. A product that as soon as you apply it, it's gonna brighten up your whole complexion. Number 18, oh my god, they put all the good stuff. T2 Tan Face and Body. This is a water, basically, like a self-tanning water that you could apply all over your body. It will not transfer to your clothes. It will give you the most natural tan, but this will go away once you shower. So it's just a one-time application only. It's great if you are wearing something with like no sleeves or something where you're showing a little bit of leg or a little bit of chest. It's fantastic, and pregnant women can use this. Number 16 is Baume de Rose Mask. I'm not a huge fan of the packaging. I already said it, so I'm not gonna continue. Number 9, Compact Expert. This is so beautiful. So inside, in this tiny little circle, you have a shimmery blush, and then on the outside, it's a satin finish. So when you mix them together, like so, you get a beautiful blush. Door number 4, we have micellar water, a full-size Lip Expert Shine. I'm actually wearing right now the Lip Expert in matte. The color I'm wearing is Vintage Nude, and the Lip Expert Shine, it's really pretty. It's a beautiful gloss, high in pigment, hyaluronic hydra primer. Especially if you're using the hyaluronic hydra foundation, This one or the Cc Serum under that foundation is just amazing. Another lip expert, but this one is matte and it's a number 10, which is my red. This is Terry's red. Terry herself. She's wearing this lipstick and she looks phenomenal. It really works with a lot of skin tones. It's a fantastic red. Mascara Terribly Growth Booster. Another lip expert matte. This is the one that I'm wearing. The most popular color from By Terry. We have an eye pencil. Lash Expert mascara, finally. I would have been disappointed if they wouldn't have put that mascara in here. And it's in full size, you guys. The balm, this is the Baume de Rose. I love that they have created the Baume de Rose with an applicator. Normally it's like in a pot. Oh, By Terry Baume de Rose tinted. Nice. Ombre Black Star. This is a cream eyeshadow that I've showed you in one of my videos. Really easy to use. Hand cream. Very useful in this period of time. And a lip scrub. Of course, they had to have this powder. This is the Hyaluronic Hydra powder. And number 22 is the classic Baume de Rose. And the most, I guess, iconic product from the brand. It's their best seller. The price is a mystery, so I'm on their website and this is so weird. I will revisit the website. Maybe, I don't know, maybe there's a problem right now because there's no price. It's like priceless. It's out of stock. That's the thing. It's 150 pounds. But the value, they say it's 250 pounds. I think it's really, really good value for the money. You have 2 full-size lipsticks, mascara, the Lip Expert Shine, and that only would be around what? Like 80, 90 pounds, something like that. Our money! Honestly, I didn't think they would have sent me another advent calendar this year because, you know, last year I was not happy with what they had. Hopefully this year will be better. This is 210 euros. I'm looking at the Sephora France website. Pretty similar with the last year, don't you guys think? Door number 4, perfume, Stronger With You, makeup. I'm all about makeup. This is another fragrance. Si Fiori Eau de Parfum. Okay, number 7, fragrance. I mean, I forgot that Armani, you know, has a lot of fragrances. Acqua di Gioia. I thought there was Acqua di Gioia. Now there's Gioia. Eyes to Kill. Had a little technical problem, you guys, and I already opened these boxes for like 2 times. I'm not gonna open them for the 3rd time, but I can tell you this. There are a lot of fragrances, 2 full-size lip magnet lipsticks, some mini lipsticks, Eyes to Kill. I think overall, it's a much better calendar than last year. Does it worth 210 euros? I mean, obviously, if you like fragrance and makeup, you're gonna think it's worth it. I'm not that interested into fragrances, but if you like fragrances as well, I think it's great value for the money. I don't know, they have improved their calendar so much. First time opening an advent calendar from Shiseido. It looks like this. Okay. From the very beginning, I have to tell you that I'm a huge Shiseido lover. Huge Shiseido lover. I love so many of their products. Yesterday, I was going through my lipsticks and I found some Shiseido lipsticks and I put them on the side because I want to remember to use them in my videos. Look at this color. This is in the color Shockwave, and this is the full size. Number 1, we have clarifying cleansing foam. Shiseido has skincare, has makeup. This is the type of calendar that I would spend my money on. Skincare and makeup. Vital Perfection Overnight Firming Treatment. Okay. 15 milliliters. Okay, not bad. Let's go straight to 24. Why wait? Uplifting and Firming Express Eye Mask. Treatment Softener Lotion. Number 7, we have Beneficion Wrinkle Soothing Contour Serum right here. This is 5 milliliters. Power Infusing Concentrate. This is a serum. Number 11, we have Essential Energy Moisturizing Cream. This is soft, cushy polisher, overnight wrinkle resisting cream, shimmer gel gloss. How do I nice color, perfect for holidays. Let's get on this side. Wrinkle smoothing cream on door number 8. Wow, a lot of skincare. Wrinkle smoothing eye cream, super small, has 2 milliliters. Total revitalizing cream on door number 13. Let's see what's on 6. Oil control blotting paper. You know what? I know that this might be nothing for some of you, but I appreciate these so much. I've always had them in my bag, especially on summer. I cannot tell you that these are better than any powder out there. Imagine you have oil on your face and you put powder on top. No, you gotta take that oil away, take the excess away. Applying powder over sebum, it's only going to clog the pores and make your skin produce more sebum. This is your friend if you have oily skin or combination skin. Listen, I'm telling you, the best way to remove all the oil. Very satisfying and disgusting at the same time to see all the oil coming out from the forehead. Might be real deal. I guess I could use a little bit in here. The best, I love it. Let's see the price. This is 105 pounds, so it's probably like 120 approximately euros. So far, this is the cheapest advent calendars that I've presented. I'm not done, by the way. The skincare normally is expensive and Shiseido has great skincare, so I think it's good value for the money. Last but not least, we've got ELEMIS. Of course, I went straight to 25. There's 25 products in here. Most of them have 24 or less. Pro Collagen Marine Cream. Literally what I've used this morning. This might be the cleanser. I can feel it. Oh yes! Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. And you have that cloth that comes with. We're having a good start right here. Superfood Night Cream. ELEMIS, it's all about skincare. Shower gel. I remember last year they had a lot of shower gels. Do you guys remember this? 1000 Flower Mask. It's a black mask. They had it in last year's calendar. This is enough for, I would say, 4 application if you have small face like me. Pro Collagen Marine Oil. Vital Veggie Mask. Soothing face mask. Okay. I love masks, so I'm super excited about this. Pro Collagen Oxygenating Night Cream. This is my night cream. Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Pads. They had this in last year's calendar. Exfoliating pads like this a lot. Pro Collagen Hydrogel Eye Masks. I use this sometimes. Soothing Apricot Toner. Papaya Enzyme Peel. Never used this before. Sea Lavender and Sapphire Body Cream. I tried this before. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Huge body cream lover right here. And I like to call myself a little connoisseur because I try everything out of need. I need body lotion like I need water every single day of my life. My skin is crazy dry. This body lotion was last year. Again, I really like it. It's the type of body cream that gets absorbed very fast. However, this is not moisturizing enough for me. If you are the type of person that likes body lotion that immediately gets absorbed, it's not very rich, you're gonna like this. Okay, this is it. Now let's check out the price. Sold out. Because it's worth 400 pounds and they sell it with 175 pounds. No wonder it's sold out. Great value. Thanks to my job, I'm, very lucky to receive their products, but it's the kind of brand that I can actually afford. So I've tested a lot of their products and I could tell you that it's really worth it. Hope you enjoyed this. Let me know in the comments what is your favorite advent calendar and what would you spend your money on if you were to buy an advent calendar right now. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next year, hopefully in November. Not in December when everything is out of stock. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye. Oh no! It's all good. It's all good. It's good. It's good. Where are you going? Where are you going? It's so... Oh, no!